Hi, this is Gomati and welcome to Arty Facets. Before we go any further, if you haven't subscribed so far, I request you to please subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you so much for all your support so far. I hope you all are keeping good and staying safe. And about today's video. So today's video is one more upcycling video. So we all have these tissue paper holders and we want to do something out of these, right? So in my bathroom there is one old brush holder that has gone bad, and I thought I will replace that with something new and upcycled. Let's see how it goes. I will also show you once I place it in the bathroom. Okay, let's see how it goes and let's get started. This is Fevicryl molded. I got the whole packet and that has about 8, and it is for 250 rupees, as you can see. So take 2 equal quantities from the 2 packages that are given there. You will get it in single packets also. I think that is for 25 rupees, or I'm not sure because I always buy the whole entire packet where you get 8 of each, and then some talcum powder. With this it won't stick to our hands and it won't stick to the table also. And mix it equally till you get one single color. Mix it thoroughly and neatly. Once dried, apply a coat of transparent glue at all the edges, at all the joints. This will make it firm and it will never come out. Once the paper is completely removed, apply a nice thick coat of acrylic paint. I'm using white here. You can use any color that you like. This is the final look, guys. This is how I've placed it in the bathroom. If you liked this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much and keep watching Arty Facets. Thank you once again.